What's up guys, USA SPEC here once again at none other than Alan Ned's Auto Sound, 2410 Wilshire Boulevard in the city of Santa Monica, California. We're going to be doing our preliminary test on a 2019 Corvette of none other than the BSM200, the best blind spot detection system bar none. Let's take a look at what they've got inside. What's up guys, here we are, Alan Ned's Santa Monica on Wilshire Boulevard. 2019 C7 Corvette. We're gonna go ahead and show you the preliminary test that we need to do to make sure that there will be no problems once we are done with the installation in this vehicle. Again, this is the infamous test board that I carry around. Remember, I hook up power to any power outlet, and I hook up the OBD2 connector. So we're gonna plug them in and we'll show you what to look for prior to starting all this labor on this vehicle. Okay, so here we go. OBD2 plug has been plugged in right over here, right into the OBD2 connector, and we have our power there at the power outlet right on the dashboard. That happens to be an ignition 12-volt source. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the car, and I want you to pay attention to what these two LEDs do. Okay, so ultimately what you're looking for is you're looking for both LEDs to light up. You'll notice that the driver's side one turns off before the passenger side does. Let me show you that one more time so you can see what I mean. And so what I have here on this particular test board is I have an additional switch. Basically what I do is with this switch, I force the system into rear cross traffic. So at this point, if I swing my hand towards the sensors are going to pick up my hand, and they'll think that my hand is a threat to the vehicle because it thinks the car is going backwards. So if I do something like this, that's going to make the sensors go off. This is just an additional step that I like to do to make sure that both sensors are in full functioning mode. And that's basically what it takes to do a preliminary test. So remember guys, that what you're looking for during the preliminary test is you want to make sure that both LEDs turn on and that both LEDs turn off. And this is after the car has been turned on. If the driver's side LED stays on, then you got an issue with the data communication in the car. If you have the passenger side LED staying on, then you have an issue with any one of the two sensors. Make sure you know what you're looking for so that once you perform the installation, you will have no problems whatsoever. And the car you're working on will be equipped with the best blind spot detection system in the market. Again, unlike anything else out there. Have a great day and thanks for watching.